Hi, I'm Kathy with Above and Beyond Creative Sewing, and today I'm going to show you something really cool that's exclusive to Bernina. It is the Bernina Stitch Regulator. This thing is so cool, so if you're really into free motion quilting on your domestic machine, you definitely want to come in and check out the Berninas that have the stitch regulator. So it comes with this little booklet on how to use it and how to install it. And this is what it looks like. It looks like a regular foot and it attaches like a regular foot. Really easy, super easy to get on and off. And it has 3 soles. So it comes with the closed sole attached, and then all you do is push these 2 buttons on the side and the sole slides off. And then it also comes with an open toe sole, a metal open toe sole, so you can kind of see what you're doing. And also it comes with this clear like echo foot sole. So if you want to do echo quilting on your domestic machine, this makes it really easy to do that. Okay, so these are the components to the BSR. Let me just slide this back on. Okay, Bernina machines make it really easy to change their feet. So you just want to come and you move this lever. We're going to push this back and the foot just pops automatically off. The BSR attaches the same way. We're going to find the hole here and it's going to kind of come onto this cone shape. We're just going to push it up and push the lever back down. Now you're going to see it has a plug here that you're going to plug into the port on the back of the machine that says BSR. I don't know if you can come and see this, right down here. See, it has a picture of the BSR. You're just going to take this and put it right into this port. Once that engages, you're going to look at your screen and the machine automatically knows that you're in BSR mode. So right now it's telling you to lower your feed dogs. So I like to take the stylus and just kind of push this button here, push it in, and it automatically lowers my feed dog for me. Super easy. So now I'm in stitch mode number 1, which is straight stitch. You can also use the BSR on a zigzag stitch if you want to use it for like thread painting or so on. Just a really cool feature. So that's really super easy to install. And now I'm ready to go ahead and do my stitching. So what I want to do is usually you just take 1 stitch. Okay, you're going to pull your bobbin thread up just like this. Now usually when you're quilting, you want to start in the center of your quilt and work outwards, okay? And this way you can really flatten everything and make it nice and even. Okay, I am just using a little sample piece, so that doesn't really apply right now. Just trying to get my threads out of the way. Okay, but once I have my bobbin thread up, now I can go ahead and start stitching. Okay. Let me get these out of the way. So what it's doing is it's generating even stitches as I'm going along. Okay. Kind of like this. And you know, nobody's professional the first time they do it. Just practice, practice, and more practice. But you can kind of see, even in my funky stitching here, that all the stitches are even. Okay? So you get that every time with the BSR. And I'm going to show you a little bit of zigzag stitching. So if you have, I just took a piece of fabric here with the leaf on it. You can kind of fill in your designs, like maybe landscapes or so on, with a zigzag stitch. So then you can go up and down, you know, however you want to move your fabric. You can see just how kind of cool this looks. I'm going to kind of go in the spines of the leaves. So if I actually would have picked a thread that matched, you can actually see how cool this would look. And look how easy this is to do. This will take me all of 30 seconds to get almost this whole leaf done, and you can kind of thread paint, as they call it. So fun. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and use my scissor here. And it's also with the zigzag, even with the straight stitch, you can make the stitch longer. But look at how cool, with these touch of the dial here, you can make it smaller, just like this. And you can also make it either longer or shorter, your zigzag, just at the touch of a dial. So if you had like thicker leaves, kind of like over here, we can make it really thick like this. And we can kind of just do the same concept over here on this side. Okay, so just kind of go down on one side and up on the other. This is such a cool tool to use. It is so fast and so fun. You can really take your quilting to the next level on any domestic Bernina machine that has this BSR tool. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial of the BSR. If you have any questions, certainly come in and ask us. We'd be happy to show you any Bernina and certainly the Bernina BSR. Thanks so much.